This pizza dough roller is an ideal machine for any kitchen, especially for the pizzerias, thanks to its ability to adjust many sizes of the pizzas. The thickness is adjustable. Its fully stainless steel structure, strong and heavy duty. The roller is made by resin with the top and the bottom protective cover. The pure copper motor is powerful and high efficient. With the fan inside, it can improve the heat dissipation. This auto type can free your hands and quickly mold the suitable shape of the pizzas.